We really do appreciate Triangle Tech's efforts to work with employers in the area to make sure we're aware of the candidates coming out of their graduating program and incorporating us in their educational process to make sure that they're meeting the needs of the employers.
Triangle Tech students that I see during my interview process, some of them are coming from other jobs, some of them are just fresh out of high school. So you get a broad range of students.
There's a lot less training that we have to do with the Triangle Tech graduates because they have the hands-on experience. They know the basics, and we just need to give them our tools, teach them our drawings, and they can run from there.
We've been very pleased with the ability for them to integrate quickly into our organization, be able to pick up the skills that we require to maintain our equipment and processes here.
Lots of tool skills. They're very hands-on. The labs that Triangle Tech has are invaluable. Real-world experience is incredible.
You can give the theory to the individuals and they can understand the book, but until they've actually touched equipment, touched machinery, touched electrical systems, they don't really have that understanding of how they work in real life.
We look for that spark, and we've seen a lot of that spark out of Triangle Tech. 25% of our employees have come from there, and we're very proud of that.
No one trains you like Triangle Tech.